MetaTrader 4 or MT4 gives you three main chart types, and each one changes how you read price. Those chart types are line, bar, and candlestick. The platform is not giving you three different markets to analyze. It is giving you three different ways to display the same market data, so the best choice depends on how much detail you want on screen and how quickly you need to interpret movement. The line chart is the simplest view. It usually plots the closing price of each period and connects those points with a continuous line. That makes it useful when you want a clean look at the broader direction of the market without too much visual noise. If your focus is trend, general structure, or comparing whether price is rising, falling, or moving sideways, the line chart can be effective. It removes much of the intra-period detail, so it is less useful when you need to study volatility inside each candle or bar. The bar chart adds more information. Each bar shows the open, the high, the low, and the close for the selected time period. That means you can read the full price range of each session while still keeping the chart relatively compact. Traders who want precision but prefer a more traditional technical analysis layout often use bars because they show structure clearly without the heavier visual appearance of candlesticks. Once you understand how to read them, bar charts are very efficient for spotting momentum, rejection, and shifts in market behavior. The candlestick chart presents the same open, high, low, and close data, but in a format that is easier to read at a glance. The body of the candle highlights the distance between the open and close, while the wicks show the extremes of price movement. This makes candlesticks the most popular chart type on MetaTrader 4 for many traders. They make bullish and bearish movement more obvious, and they help you recognize market sentiment quickly. Patterns such as rejection candles, engulfing formations, and indecision become much easier to identify when the information is displayed this way. In practice, the chart type you choose should match the kind of analysis you are doing. A line chart is useful when you want simplicity and a clean trend view. A bar chart is useful when you want full price data in a compact format. A candlestick chart is useful when you want the same full data, but with faster visual interpretation. MetaTrader 4 keeps the choice simple. Three chart types, each serving a different purpose. The market stays the same, but the way you read it can become much more effective when you choose the display that fits your workflow.